Welcome to your connected ebook. Let's review how you can use the offline access feature to use your connected ebook without an internet connection. First, there are some steps to take while you have an internet connection. Log in to your Casebook Connect account and open your connected ebook. In the blue toolbar, click on the offline menu, then Save for offline use. Select your desired chapters and book sections to be available offline, then click the button to create offline link. It may take a few moments for your link to generate. After your link is created, open it by clicking on the link or by clicking the copy button and pasting it in a new tab of your browser. Now, save the link as a favorite or bookmark in your browser. Please note that a connected ebook can only be accessed offline in the browser and on the device where the offline link was created. If you forget to save your offline link to your favorites, you can find it again by clicking Offline in the blue toolbar, then View All Offline Links. This page will display all the offline links you've created and inform you on which browser and device a link must be used. Now that you have your link saved as a favorite, you can go offline with peace of mind. When you remove your internet connection, your connected ebook will automatically transition to the offline reading experience. Or if your browser is closed when you go offline, you can open your browser and click on the offline link from your favorites. Your connected ebook will load with all the content you selected, as well as any existing highlights and annotations. We hope this overview encourages you to explore the offline access feature in your connected ebook. If you have any questions, visit our Help Center for additional information or to contact customer support.